Hello friends and potential friends. Well, today is January 15th and we're on the downhill slope of the weather again. They're predicting that we're going to get down pretty much close to freezing tonight. It's supposed to be the coldest temperatures we've had since Christmas of 2022. And I got the sneaky feeling that I'm not going to get away with all of my winter tomatoes this time around. So, figured I better walk around and see what I got now. And then by the time y'all see this, I'll know if I've got anything left over after the weather. Out here on the front patio, or front porch, still got a lot of Praxis tomatoes and some Megatron jalapenos that are coming along nicely. My plan is to take this tower apart tonight and take these 3 tiers in the house, because I don't want to lose all these seed tomatoes or the peppers. We only have the 3 tiers that'll have to move. That won't be too bad. They're gonna have to stay in the house for a couple of days at least, and then we'll see how the weather acts, decide when I can get them back out again. Now out here in the back, well, I'll be covering up a bunch of stuff. Salad tower will probably stay as is. A lot of these brassicas will be fine. Most of them are bolted anyway. I worry about the cats because they do not want to go in the house. I keep trying to coax them in. Peppers probably will not make it. I think the strawberries will probably be okay. Carrots should sweeten up pretty good. But these tomatoes over here, I'm going to have to put up a couple of T-posts because I'll be wrapping sheets around these. Just hoping to keep the freeze away from them. More carrots. And those are just starting to get to be a decent size. And all of these guys over here should be fine. None of those potatoes that I planted have come up yet, so they should be good. And then this bed here, well, sprawling out all over the place. I'll have to try to maneuver them up into the back into the bed and see if I can get some sheets over them to protect them. The ones I'm really worried about, these Praxis cherries and the Brandywines over on the other side. I'll get them wrapped up as best I can, and I'm actually considering running an extension cord out here because I've got a small electric heater that I might put underneath here. If I put the heater right out in here, it'll be well away from the sheets and everything else. Of course, Licorice here will probably be sleeping there. That's where he went the last time we had a cold snap. Went under the sheets. So we will just have to see what happens. I do have a lot of tomatoes in here, and I don't want them all dropping off, because they haven't really started to blush yet. Basically all they'd be good for is fried green tomatoes. But we shall see what happens. There's more of the Brandywines and beefsteaks. They're all starting to get some decent size on them. They just haven't started turning yet. So I hope I can keep them alive and keep them from freezing. But I'll know tomorrow, I think. Then I'll be doing an after video probably. Let y'all know what happened here. Wish me luck. And I know 32 degrees is nothing to a lot of you, but it sure is something down here. I'll see you next time.